Hello, and welcome to the web-based training for searching for an invoice within Fortis. There are two options when searching for an invoice: searching within the Fortis View Station or searching within the Fortis web application. Let's first go over the process for searching in the Fortis View Station. To begin, open the Fortis View Station on your Start menu. All of the query sets will be listed in the left-hand column. Choose the Common Searches Webflow query set. Double-click on the appropriate query to open the options for ways to search for the invoice. We will search for a physician payment for this example. The options for searching for the invoice will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. Choose one of the options to use to search for the invoice. For this example, I'm going to search for invoice total amount. When prompted, enter the information needed from the invoice and then click OK. If no data is returned, confirm the data you entered is correct. If it is correct, try another type of query in case it was indexed incorrectly. All the invoices with a total amount of $91.20 are now displayed. Place an X in the left-hand column next to the invoice you would like to view. Click the Open button at the bottom of the page. The selected invoice is now opened. All data regarding the invoice can be found on the right-hand side of the screen. Let's now go over how to search for invoices in Fortis Web. To begin, open the Banner Health homepage. Navigate to the left side of the screen and find Tools and Services under System-Wide Links. Choose the category F through J, then Fortis. Make sure to choose Fortis and not Fortis Webflow. Make sure the database Fortis AP is selected as well as the View Radio button, then log in using your LAN ID as your username and your employee ID number as your password. The Fortis AP database should now be displayed. Click the Queries link at the top of the page. If the query sets is not expanded, click the plus sign next to the title. Select Common Searches Webflow. Choose to either search for an employee expense or a non-PO physician payment. For this example, we will search for a non-PO invoice. Once the invoice type is selected, choose an option for searching for the invoice on the right-hand side of the page. For this example, I will search using the invoice total amount. Enter the total amount and click the Find button. If no data is returned, confirm the data you entered is correct. If it is correct, try another type of query just in case it was indexed incorrectly. Click on Open in the left-hand column of the query results to view the selected invoice. The selected invoice is now displayed. This process has been documented in user guides that are available on the Fortis team SharePoint. To access these user guides, go to the Banner Intranet homepage, search for Fortis, select the first link, then choose the Webflow folder. Listed here is all the training documentation available for Fortis Webflow. You have now completed the web-based training for searching for an invoice within Fortis and should now know how to find an invoice within the Fortis View Station and the Fortis web application.